I'm going to be going over the Cloudy with the Chance of Number Bonds worksheet. It looks like this. So we'll do a few problems just in case you need some help with it. So the first problem that we're going to do is the 6 is in the top cloud, and then 2 is in the bottom cloud on the left, and then there's a blank one over here. So it's this first one right here. So that's the one we'll do. So we have 6 at the top, and then we have a 2 down here, and then there's a missing number. So we need to figure out what that missing number is. So 2 plus blank equals 6. So in order to solve this, I'm going to have us solve it like it's a subtraction problem. So we're going to be taking numbers away. So we'll start with that big number that's in the top cloud. What is that big number? 6. So go ahead and point to it and say it. 6. And you know what you can do? Go ahead and add those touch points to the small number that's in that cloud. And then we'll point to the big number and say it. So 6, and then we're going to start taking them away. So 5, 4. What were we left with? 4. Go ahead and write that number in the other cloud. And that is how we're going to solve for the missing number. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And we can even check our work on our fingers to make sure we got it right. So if we have 2 and we add 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many do I have now? Did I get 6? Yeah, so that means we did it right. Now let's try this problem over here. Now this problem is on the other side. So it's this first one right here. So you have the 9 on the top cloud, and then you have a 3, and then the other cloud is missing. So that's the one that we have to solve for. We need to figure out 3 plus blank equals 9. So we're going to solve that just how we did the other one. We're going to start with that big number. Go ahead and say it. 9. And then we're going to add touch points to that small number, the one that's in the cloud. Go ahead and add your touch points, and I'm going to do the same on mine. Okay, so point to the big number and say it one more time. 9, and then we're going to start taking them away, so let's count down. 8, 7, 6. What are we left with? Go ahead and write that number in the other cloud. And that tells us our answer. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. And let's double check our work and we'll see if we're right. So if we have 3, we need to add 6 more now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have total? Did we get 9? Then we solved it correctly. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. There's one more problem that I want us to try because this one looks a little different than the other ones that we just solved. So the one we're going to do now is still on this back side where that one is that we just solved. You know, the one that had the 9 and then the 3. So this one right here is the one we're going to do now. That top cloud is missing, but down below we have a 4 and then we have a 3. So it's down here. That's the one we're going to do now. What do you think we're going to do? How do you think we can solve this one? Are we going to start at that top cloud? No. This time, we're just going to add these 2 together down below. And so I want you to go ahead and add your touch points to the smaller number. Point to the bigger number and say it. 4. This time, we're counting up. 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and write that number in the top cloud. So 4 plus 3 equals what? 7. And we'll double check our work again. So if we have 4 and we add 3, 1, 2, 3, how many do we have? 7. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you need help or if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me and let me know. Bye.